money back under simple battery.
For what?
Simple battery.
Simple battery.
Simple battery? For what?
Okay, you want to do
When officers arrived, the woman reported her boyfriend struck her in the face. She displayed visible injury, and the male suspect showed signs of intoxication, facts that immediately elevated the call from a verbal dispute to a domestic battery investigation with probable cause implications.
What's going on?
It's me and my boyfriend.
Okay, do you mind if we go inside?
No, there's some short time for it.
He drunk and high as hell. He really need to go to sleep. Truth be told, everybody around here been drinking. It's a repass.
So did he hit you?
It's a what?
Yeah, a repass.
He did?
Repass?
Yes, he hit me.
Where?
In my face. Right here on the corner.
Okay, was anybody out
Threw
here?
my phone down.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you know, is that on your lip?
I ain't even seen my face yet.
Wait, if you just open your mouth a little bit. Yeah, that could be it.
Where's he at?
It's not my house. You can talk to Mr. The police want to know if it's okay to come in.
Yeah, come on in. Appreciate it, sir. Where's
He back there. I guess he putting on his wax. I'm not sure.
putting on what?
His wax.
His wife. This room right here?
That room.
This room right here?
Yep.
How you doing, man?
I'm alright. How about yourself?
Hey, I'm pretty good. Do you mind stepping back in here and talking with me just for a second?
We can step out here.
Yeah, that's fine. How you doing tonight?
I'm alright. My cousins died. I've been drinking. I've been having a good time. What's going on?
Okay. Yeah, we can just step outside real quick and talk to me
We
real
can
quick.
talk right here.
No, we're gonna step outside.
You got it.
Don't need a warrant to step outside.
Since we're doing an investigation now, we already have probable cause off of everything else, right? So what's gonna happen is we're gonna step outside. Okay?
Come again?
We're gonna step outside.
That's him.
We're gonna step outside.
Do you want to talk to us? You want to step outside and talk to us? It's yes or no?
I'm sorry, y'all.
All right. Yeah, that's fine. Tell us what happened tonight.
My cousin died. We've been out here chilling, having a good time, and a lot of good.
A lot of good shit? No bad shit?
Nah, not in my eyes.
No? Okay. So what happened to her face?
What wrong with her face?
Huh?
What wrong with her face?
Looks like someone hit her.
Show me.
Yeah.
Show me.
Huh?
Show me.
Show you. I'm asking you. I said, I look at her face. It looks like someone hit her. Do you know anything about that? And your first answer is show me? That doesn't make sense, man. Come on. So what happened? You don't know? What happened to her phone? Huh?
What wrong with your phone, baby? Baby, what wrong with your phone?
You're broke.
What wrong? Shit, her phone been broke. Her phone broke a long time ago.
So we all arguing tonight or what?
I don't know what y'all talking.
I'm just trying to get your side of the story, man. There's two sides to every story. So what happened? Were y'all arguing? There's a reason we get called here, right? What happened?
Don't know. Answer.
Well, we already have.
And what's her side of the story?
Well, she's saying that you punched her and that you broke her phone.
And you got evidence that I punched her and broke her phone? No,
I'm sorry?
No, I'm sleeping. I'm tired.
Sleeping? Okay. So if there was a video someone took of you, hypothetically, if there's a video showing you hitting her and breaking her phone, what would you say to that?
Nah, I accept it. If you got it, sure.
So you accept it?
Yeah.
All right, so you want to tell me what happened? Why'd you punch her?
I punched her?
Yeah, why?
I punched her.
I'm asking you why.
You asking me why what?
Why you punched her?
I punched her?
I can say it in another couple ways if you want me to, but yeah, I'm asking you why.
She got her tax money and she trying to run off.
She got her what?
Tax money and she trying to run off.
So why would she need us here to be able to run off? That doesn't make any sense. Well, you're the one saying that, and it doesn't really make any sense. That makes sense to me.
Okay, well,
You know what I'm saying?
I'm through talking.
You don't want to talk anymore? You don't have anything else to say?
I did.
No?
No.
All right.
Really started like his cousin did die today, his first cousin. They went to a funeral. Fast forward, everybody got here. Everybody's drinking, of course, because it's after the funeral. Everything was fine until he goes in the house. It's time to go lay down, and then he starts arguing with her. I have that video too. Argument for no reason, out of nowhere.
Do you have it on video when you guys were arguing?
I wish I did. I don't.
Did anybody see him hit you?
Honestly, I don't know. His uncle's outside, but 9 times out of 10, he's not going to say anything, and that's fine. Of course, I already know how he is when he's drunk. And I told him, just come lay down. So he did go and lay down in the room for a hot second, but then he told me, like, you need to find you somewhere else to go. So I called me an Uber. My Lyft pulls up. He comes down there, slams the door before I can get there. And that's my Uber. Didn't even get inside, but I told
Get
her,
out of here.
yep, just time to go. You asked me to leave, I'm going to leave. She pull up, slam the door. We come back upstairs, and now I'm all kind of mad. You just trying to play me. I've been asleep back there the whole time, so I know he's but he don't remember nothing. He don't remember the argument he just had with them. So while we're standing right here, I told him, like, I could show you the video, baby. Like, you were just sitting here arguing with your folk. Throw my phone down on the ground, so Nas cracked to shit. Then he started punching me in my face. I dropped my purse and I went like this. And after he finished punching me, he's like, you ain't nothing but a you can just leave. I said, oh, okay, well, it's fine. I'm getting ready to go. But I'm finna call the police on you because you told me that was the last time you were gonna hit me the time before. And then you hit me again.
What?
Are you holding me?
Yeah, you're being detained.
I'm detained.
Yep.
Detained for what?
For the investigation right now.
So for what she say?
For everything that we've heard from this side and that side.
I'll be right back.
No, you're not gonna go anywhere.
I'm not gonna go back.
No, you're not gonna go anywhere.
Why not?
You're gonna sit right here and you're gonna wait right here.
Why? Cause what she said?
Because I told you to. That's why.
Who is you?
Who am I?
You a judge?
I have probable cause right now, so I mean,
Probable cause for what?
to arrest you right now. So just sit there and stay there.
Arrest me for what?
Just sit there and stay
Arrest
there.
me for what?
You can
Arrest me
sit.
for what?
You can sit and wait.
Arrest me for what?
You can sit and wait.
Arrest me for what?
You just wait. Just wait.
Just wait for what?
You're already on. You're being detained right now. Just stay where you are.
Detained for what? Detained for what? Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna stand up a little bit. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. You spatting. No, why you touching me? Why you touching
But I
me?
just tell you, you're being detained.
No, why? I'm detained for what? Detained for what?
All right.
So go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
You're being
Your hands behind your back.
placed
Under
under
arrest.
arrest.
For what?
Simple battery.
Simple
Killing
battery.
violence.
Simple battery. For what?
Okay. You won't do this.
Don't fight me, folks!
Don't do it the hard way.
What am I doing?
What am I doing? What am I doing? Hold on.
You made it easier.
What am I doing? What did I do?
You're being
You're
placed
already
under
placed
arrest.
Simple battery. Killing
what?
violence. Simple battery.
Simple battery for what she say?
Because there's a mark on her
hell
face. There's
no.
already a mark on her face too.
Hey, I want your badge number. And I want her badge.
All right, let's go. Get up.
No, the man. But I'm gonna definitely want your number.
We already gave it to you.
No, you didn't.
It'll be in the report.
Man, go sit down.
Why are you arresting me?
I already told you 3 times.
No, you didn't.
Yes, we did.
Battery family.
Why? Family violence.
Yep.
What's the family?
So that's still criminal trespass, damage to property as well. Because you broke her phone.
I broke her phone.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all tripping.
You have anything on you that I need to know
Nah,
about?
I ain't got nothing.
You got anything illegal and you crossed jail lines?
Nah,
That's
give
additional
me your
charge.
card. That's what
Felony.
I want. Can I get a card? Can I get a card?
No.
Can I get a card?
You get all the cards you want after jail.
Can I get a card?
Is he good on that side?
Nah, I want a card. I want a card. I want a
Go ahead and
card.
get in.
I want a card. I want a card of
Do
both
you
of
want to be
y'all.
helped in the car?
Do you want to
I want a card.
Sit in the car.
Sit down.
Can I get a card?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down or we're going to make you sit down.
I'm gonna sit down, but
All
can
right,
I
let's
get
go
a
ahead and
card?
Sit down there.
You ain't got to do that, huh? Can I get a card?
Put your feet in.
Can I get a card?
Yeah, once we get to the jail.
Can I get a card?
There we go.
Can I get a card?
Oh, weird. Alright, still want to get some stuff from her. Oh.
Here we go.
Is there a problem?
Probably. Unlock the car. Unlock it for me.
Yeah.
Give me a card. Give me a card. I want a card. I want your name. I want your name. I want a card.
How about you stop
I
kicking?
want a card. I want a motherfucking card. Because I ain't did a goddamn thing.
I don't have a card.
Her card, her phone been broke. She just got her tax money and she don't want to be with me. Give me a motherfucking card.
What card?
I want a motherfucking card. I want a card. I ain't did nothing to her.
Here you go.
Give me a card. I want your card. Yeah, you going. You going. Can I get a card? I want your card too. Can I get your card? Can I get your card? Can I get your card? Oh, I got bad lawyers.
Okay.
Yeah, play with it. Play with it. Play with it, mother.
I need you to listen to something like
Nah,
that.
I ain't listening to that goddamn thing.
I
You
need
ain't
to-
even
hey,
read me
do I
my
need to-
remounder. You ain't read my remounder. Give me my. I want your card too.
nobody questioned
Give me your card. I want your card.
questioned you.
I want your motherfucking card.
Nobody
I ain't did a goddamn thing. Why
Are you
am I
gonna
being
sit?
detained?
You're not detained. You're under arrest.
For what?
Family violence, battery, criminal
what?
trespass, damage to property.
Where is it? Where is the family
You're in the
violence?
back of the car right now.
Where is the family violence?
Stay in the car.
Why are you touching me?
Stay in the car because you're
I'm
not being
already
cooperative.
detained. Why are you touching me,
No,
motherfucker?
now you're under arrest.
Yeah, for what?
Family violence, battery.
Family
I'm not playing this game with
battery,
you.
what? No, man, go on,
Yep,
man.
yep. That's about to happen.
Oh, y'all just want to be tough. Y'all want to be tough. Hey, pull over there. Yeah, you want to be tough. I got something for your motherfucker. Yeah, I got something for your. I want your badge. I want your number.
I told you 3 times.
Yeah, I want a card, motherfucker. Fuck that shit you talking about. Give me your card.
Okay.
Give me your card. I don't give a fuck about all this.
Okay.
It's all right. Hey, you ain't gotta do all that. You ain't gotta do all that.
I already did.
Give me your cards. Hey, can I get your card? Hey, excuse me. Stop. Hey, no. Can I get your card?
Get in the car. Yo, pull him from the other side.
Can I get your card?
Get in the car.
I'm in the car
You're
already.
under arrest, so
For what?
make it more difficult on yourself.
Can I get your card? I want your card. I hope you got your badge on.
Yeah.
I hope you recording this.
You got it?
For what? Why am I going to jail? What did I do?
Hold on.
What did I do to be going to jail, man? This don't make no sense, man. This is stupid, man. Hey! Why am I going to jail? Why am I going to jail?
I told you already.
No, you didn't. That ain't. Man, you ought to let me about this. I ain't did a goddamn thing, bro. What am I being locked? Hey, talk to me.
Hey, ain't doing that.
No, you finna talk to me. Why am I being locked up?
I already told you like
Why?
10 times, man.
You ain't told me a goddamn thing, mother. You finna tell me now.
Battery.
Battle for what?
Battery.
What is bad? What is bad? Oh, cause she said something? Cause she said something?
Got marks on her face.
Yeah, marks on her face. She ugly as a motherfucker anyway. The you talking about? The you talking about? Yeah, I got your. I want your bad number 2. I got y'all, mother. Y'all, go ahead. You don't even know who you. You gonna lose your jaw tonight, baby.
All right.
I bet you lose your jaw tonight. And I bet you I get out tonight. I bet you I get out tonight. Man, get out your phone. Why you texting and driving? You texting and driving? Get out your phone. Get out your phone. Drive, mother. Stupid ass. You wreck? Oh, definitely. Yeah, you finna get up, bro. You don't even know who you with. I bet you finna get up. I bet you lose all the privilege you got. You texting and driving. You texting and driving. You texting and driving.
PD to 600, got 1 man.
Help! Help me! Help! Help!
9-4.
Help! Help! That motherfucker locked me up for nothing.
Out of 600.
What's that little young boy? Yeah, that's bad. You ready? Mm-hmm. If I was low down, I'll just knock the hell out of you. So, boom! I ain't like that, though. Yeah, I ain't like that, bro. Why you grab me like that? Come on. You grab. I'm finna get up, bro. Oh, you finna get up? You ain't gotta do that. What I just say, bro? What I just say, bro? What? You grab me like that, bro? Huh? What? I want your
do that?
Martin, what I just say?
Again?
No, I ain't do that.
You wanna do that again?
What I do?
You wanna do that
What
again?
I do? What I do?
Come on.
What I do? I kick you? Oh, you got your this on?
Yep.
Yeah, oh, you got your camera on?
Mm-hmm.
Sure do. All right, that's cool. I kicked you. I kicked you. I'm gonna try that again. Try what, coach? Try what?
Come on, keep moving. Let's go.
Try what? I want that name.
Visible injury plus his admission gives officers probable cause on the spot. He's arrested and charged with battery, family violence, first offense, for intentionally causing visible bodily harm to a dating partner, and criminal trespass under family violence for damaging her phone. Moral of the story? When the evidence is on her face and the confession is on camera, for what isn't a defense? Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.